Neutral alert. I think it will only make sense that the video starts there.
Not putting words in her mouth. Not putting words in her mouth.
Eating an apple with a knife. Neutral alert. This one. Not this one. This one. That's my snack. Eat it with a knife like a true man in the wilderness. Who needs a plate? Man up! Eat an apple with a knife. Portrait 4. I've been looking for A4 printing vinyl plus t-shirt type of machine. And this was what I could afford at this time. It was quite reasonable. I'll put a link. You can go check it on Amazon. And that's what is going to make for me the decal much faster compared to my little Cricut Joy. So now we have the Portrait 4. I'm going to set it up, and then I want to do some prints for the dragon for this bad boy. Yep. Let's do that. She's a beauty. Silhouette. That's the inside. Bluetooth connection. Play. Back, forward, pause. You know the shitties. Somewhere here. Maybe a tray. To insert. And that's it. What do we have? Paper. You can also print.
The IRC.
Chill out.
I'm like, you don't want to.
You can also print for ironing. Yep. What else? Stickers. That's what I'm going to use it for. Ironing color samples for t-shirts, and then they send you some papers and vinyl transfer. Basically, that's it. So let's get cracking. Next, I'm going to plug it in and then set up the app and see how it goes. Bluetooth is on. Machine is on. I need to put in the tip to cut, and then the rest is history. It has an on and off button compared to this that doesn't have an on and off button. So that's a plus 2. That's a plus, not plus 2. It also has a Ethernet, I think, not an Ethernet cable, but it has a, what is a USB something cable, point. So you can connect it directly to your computer, which I can do. All I have to do is take off my one connected to the this, and then just run it the other side. There's something good about eating an apple with a knife that brings back your instinctual self. I have to scan the QR code, and then once I scan it, I'm in. Hey, next. Stuff like that you don't look. Skip to design, straight up. So we have all the design. This is the software part of it. Blah blah blah. You can have your design, put all your templates, and then you can be able to do the cutout. I've done that. So you go to Silhouette and look for the software. I've also registered the machine, connected it to Bluetooth. A couple of progress. The apple is finished. I don't know what happens with the apple once it starts oxidizing. I don't know whether it's oxidizing. What's the correct term? I've installed the pen. For the pen to be installed is quite easy. You pull this out, push the pen out, and then to put it in, you just hold it, and then you push it in. Done. I don't know the correct term, but yeah, something happens to it. It's not my fault. That's just how it came out. If you're using a heat pen, you can connect it on top here. Then you have your heat pen working because it has the connecting clips from there. Bluetooth, blah, blah, blah. You know the rest. So let me throw my Apple thing away, and then we get cracking. Cool. Ready? We have to do the dragon silhouette that's going to go on this. So that's the plan. It looks messy, but there's a plan behind the mess. So let's go. Okay, cool. My head is aching. That was a presentation by me. danced by me, choreographed by me. So I got the paper kit. It's going to go in here. Wow, that took a lot of effort to have it working. Sometimes you just want something that works directly, but other times you have some issues. The major issue that I had with it was that it had, what is it called? The registration failure. And the registration failure is where you have the borders and it has to mark where it's supposed to print. I don't know what I did, but it worked. But I checked online and no one has a solution. So I was able to print a couple of them. The first test. I hate this sticky thing. Oh man. So maybe I need to work with the layers and just split it. Well, we gotta learn. So next thing is to maybe do it in layers and separate how it cuts. Give it some time. I'm quite happy with the outcome.